would work towards that.
In her 17 years as a counselor at Coastal Samaritan, Lee Gravely feels that one client stands out.
Friends. He was almost bedridden or definitely homebound when he came in here. And now he is, after, well, he reached, he was helped, and you know, very shortly, and this has been years later, but he has a very fulfilling life, very active in the community, and enjoys life on a very different level now.
The licensed multidisciplinary professional staff maintains a culture of excellence while supporting one another in assisting the area clergy.
I would like to think of our role with pastors as consultants. Pastors do provide care and counseling for their church members, and sometimes they may have a difficult situation that they don't know what to do with, so they'll call us sometimes and just talk with us on the phone about how to handle a certain parishioner or a certain family, and we can provide consultative services to the pastor regarding their mental health needs. Also, we provide mental health counseling for pastors and their families.
I am here wearing several hats, and the first one is that I am a client of Coastal Samaritan. I will tell you, not specifics, but I will tell you that my wife and I go there for a couple of reasons. One of those is clergy burnout, because it is very prevalent. I've been a pastor for 34 years, and I know that it happens. I've been there, and I've had to deal with it, and this is a place where I get some of my needs taken care of. I also go there because my wife and I need to work on that too. Clergy burnout has effect on her, and case with spouses. And so for that reason, we go together, and it's been very beneficial. 3 things I know about it. Number 1, if you need to go, they'll take you in a timely fashion. Number 2, they're helpful. And number 3, they care. So those are characteristics of Coastal Samaritan that I would lift up. Second thing that I do in terms of my hats is that I make referrals to Coastal Samaritan. I've made 2 within the last month, I think. And their response is the same. They find benefit there. I know that there's a limit to what I can do. And I know that things I can't do can be done there in a very compassionate fashion. So Coastal Samaritan is my number 1 referral resource for mental health concerns. We use that extensively. Number 3 is that I'm an advocate for Coastal Samaritan, as you might suspect. Our congregation on an annual basis does benevolences for 12 organizations. We take a benevolence offering over a month period. And one of the groups that we support that way is Coastal Samaritan. And every year we say, who are we going to support this year and who are we not? And the one that I support, that I say first and foremost that we need to help, is Coastal Samaritan.
All of these pastors have come to breakfast to share ways in which they can continue to help their parishioners and to seek support for their pastoral responsibilities.
We are truly not trained to give them the level of care that the counselors at Coastal Samaritan can offer. Levels of care that involve family strife and struggles, the way that they can diagnose and understand folk who have depression. Those are things that are beyond the scope of the pastoral care that I can offer. They're much more professionally able to provide care, and I'm glad to refer people to Coastal Samaritan for those reasons.